Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Today I would like to introduce a book written in 5th century of Hijrah by a Shafi scholar Abul Hassan Abul Hassan al-Mawardi, who born in 974 and died in 10th 58 century. The book was written in 5th century of Hijrah, the Islamic calendar. As we can see, it is a very important book, one of the basic and early texts which was written about the Islamic State and Islamic Khilafah. If Muslims will get again any chance to rule the world, they should read this book. It's a readable book. In order to discuss the role of Islam in international relations, its importance to contemporary Muslim societies and Muslim status must first be assessed. It can be observed that ever since from 1970s, Islam has become the undisputed source of authority for Muslims worldwide, and although reluctantly at first for Muslim states, the governments as well. Islam, such as a permitted the national discourse of Muslim countries in all domains. By now, almost all social, economic, political, and personal issues are discussed in terms of Islam. What does Islam say about democracy or human rights? What about the personal conduct and morality or dress code, girls and boys in education or outside education? And for fourth, by doing so, these issues are appropriated by Islamic inheritance, or we can say we have get it from our parents and the forefathers. The book, which has been written by Sheikh Abul Hassan al-Mawardi, rahimahullah ta'ala, it has discussed that what kind of relations should be the Muslims with the non-Muslims. These are the topics of very great concern and very great interest. And for the non-Muslims, they are confused and troubled by the rise of political Islam. For their part, many Muslims have argued that Islam is the solution to the oppression and injustice. They have suffered from secular nationalist dictators and self-serving monarchies that have not moved towards democratic governments or governance. Muslims believe deeply in the power of Islam to reform society, for they have been nurtured on stories of just rule of the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and his companions. Muslims believe that the dynasties and military regimes which emerged in medieval Islam strayed far from the principles and the ideals of this early Muslim community and prepared the way for later colonization, secularization, and the state tyranny, zulm, udwan. Some would caution, however, that we cannot dismiss all political institutions and administrative practices that developed in pre-modern Muslim countries as un-Islamic, because we do not really understand how they functioned. This book, Al-Ahkam As-Sultaniyya, which is written in Arabic, is a book of Islamic statecraft, written around the beginning of the 11th century by this great scholar. It has discussed all the aspects, how Muslim rulers they should lead and deal with the other governments, how they should deal with the environmental issues, and how they should use the lands which are free, which is uninhabited. So these all issues had been discussed in this book. I think it is very necessary, very important for all Muslims, especially scholars, whether they belong any school of thought or any denominations, this book must be read to learn the present day scenario. Jazakumullahu khair. Ahsanallah.